Hi guys! Rider Limited is a retailer of bicycles. It buys various models of bicycles in large quantities from its manufacturers on credit before selling them to its customers. The company also makes most of its sales to its customers on credit, although it also sells for cash to them. As we learned in earlier lessons, when credit sales and credit purchases are made, they are first recorded in the sales journal and purchases journal, respectively. These records are then subsequently transferred to their respective ledgers where the accounts of customers and suppliers are kept. Using this process, the company can now know what a particular customer owes or what it owes a particular supplier. For instance, in the sales ledger, we have Tano's account. Tano bought a bicycle on the 12th of February 2021 on credit. He later made a cash payment of 30,000 naira on the 20th of February that same year. The sale was transferred from the sales paybook with the corresponding entry to the sales account in the general ledger. At the end of the month, Tano is still owing the business 40,000 naira and he has only paid 30,000 naira. Tano is a debtor to the business. In the same way, Tano is a debtor to the company. Numerous customers also owe the business at the same time. To get the total value for debtors at the end of a particular period, the accountant will have to individually add the closing balances in each account. This is a time-consuming process, especially if an organization has many credit customers. The same could be said for the suppliers or creditors. To reduce this and to provide a check on the accuracy of the balance of the ledger, the control accounts are prepared. A control account is a summary account in the general ledger. This account contains aggregated totals for transactions that are individually stored in subsidiary level ledger accounts. There are two types of control accounts: the sales ledger control account and the purchases ledger control account. We will look at each account in much detail in subsequent lessons. By now, you should be aware that control accounts are summary accounts created in the general ledger to provide a check for the personal accounts in the individual ledgers. There are two types of control accounts: the sales ledger control account and the purchases ledger control account. In future lessons, we will demonstrate and illustrate the sales ledger control account and enhance our understanding of control accounts.